Hello, this is Zachary and welcome to this video. I was planning a few weeks or even a few months ago a little update video about the Mag Inifinite gaming PC. I have made a video 9 months ago about this specific computer. I had so many issues, and after 4 times sending it to a repair center, they offered me a replacement. I accepted it. It was a little downgrade to what I had before. It was a similar machine, but 512 gigabyte of hard disk drive less. And also, you know, instead of having 116, I had 2 of 8. I replaced them with my 2 16 gigabyte RAMs and also added a 4 terabyte hard disk drive internal. So after a few months using it, I also saw many comments passing by about this specific computer, and I will give you a little update because happily enough, I didn't do any update like, hey, everything is fine, it's running smoothly, I didn't have any problems after they sent me a replacement. Now what happened, because believe it or not, it's packed and it is going to be shipped back to the repair center in Poland for the 3rd time. So 5 times I had to ship my computer away for issues. Now, my problem is I am not able to do any video editing. Live streaming, it is almost impossible when I'm going to do some gaming live stream on Twitch. I'm losing a lot of progress that I had gained in the past few months. I made an update, or I made some backups, but it is going to cause at one point. Especially in my case, I was working on a series on my YouTube channel Easy Zach Gaming, and now I need to go back on the PlayStation 4, less render distance. I have, with my MacBook, I have some issues with the capture card connecting with the MacBook. So I cannot do any live streams at this moment when it comes to gameplay. On the Zachary 3D Prints YouTube channel, I can continue with doing live streams because on OBS and Streamlabs, I had on almost weekly base or regular base, I had some system hangs or blue screen of that, or even just sudden restarts without any notifications. So it is quite annoying to have these kind of things when it comes to a gaming PC or advertised as a gaming PC. I was from the opinion when you do have a gaming PC, you can also stream with it and you do some video editing on it. Now I'm waiting for a edit to be done on my MacBook. Well, it's now generating optimized media, but I do need to say it is totally not optimized at all. I need to wait. I hope I can edit on that one because currently I am at this stage here. It's still being, you know, optimized. It's at 62%. Still, I think 2 or 3 hours to go. In the meantime, I'm trying a very old PC or laptop. It's one from 2018. I'm running DaVinci Resolve 17.4 on it and see if I can do editing on this one. It would be a challenge, I must say, because currently if I do like this, because that is the only way that I want to play this game, but it is quarter resolution. It is not running very smoothly, but yet I'm now in 1 minute 15 seconds in the edit. Still have 2 hours and 13 minutes to go. Yeah. So if you're thinking about it to go for an MSI Mag Inifinite S3 Gen 11 gaming PC, I'm not very fond of it. I already said to the guy, I want a refund because after 1 year, 5 times shipping it away, I'm still not confident. Because why would you buy a computer where after several times of using it, system hangs, etc., that you are very insecure if you are going to make it in a live stream without a hang, or when you do an editing without a black screen, or when you are just YouTubing, just watching a YouTube video and it hangs at a sudden moment. Well, I can definitely not recommend the MSI gaming PC because it is terrible. If I have some updates about it, I will inform you. Thank you for watching. I will see you next time. Peace. Bye-bye.